So base section assembly of LapPi 2.0. For this, just take base plate which supports everything in base section and then attach side layers to it. For body assembly, you need mostly screw of M3/10 and nut M3 type. So all side layer first attach. In animation video, you will see that Raspberry Pi and PS attach first. So that process can also be followed, but that makes difficult to attach these layers. So in this video, we'll do this part of assembly first, and then finally we'll attach UPS and Raspberry Pi. As you can see, so for just demo, we show here you can attach UPS, but better would be to attach this later after completing other part of assembly of this base section. You see, now we'll remove it and do other assemblies. So you see, so this one is support plate for keyboard. There is no issue, you can even attach, but if you follow this video, the process will be easy. You see here Raspberry Pi will come. So you see, so this on this layer we'll connect hinge onto which top part of this LapPi will come. Once hinge is connected, so and make sure that every screw and nuts are connected properly. So below this there is UPS attached, and then this plate is LapPi plate is connected. So that's the reason before it is shown where you have to connect UPS, and side of it there will be Raspberry Pi. Before that we connect this plate which will provide support for top section assembly. Now you can place Raspberry Pi and keyboard. So let's see top section assembly. Again you need base plate of top section onto which there will be a display, and speaker. For display you need standoff screw nut, standoff of M3/12, screw M3/10 and nut M3 type, and backside of display there will be some connectors available for speaker, then your HDMI cable as well as power. You'll see that. So this is speaker connected is back side of LCD, which is connected. So again, here in this section also you need some side layers to be attached. Before that, connect this cable, HDMI extension cable and power cable. So now attach this camera on the top plate. So here is the connection. Now everything is connected properly. So this way you can rotate. Basically one screw and nut got missed, so we'll try to fix it once that is done. So there is no problem, everything is fine. So now you see your LapPi 2.0 is ready to use for programming and then watching and doing entertainment, etc. Thank you for watching.